So this is UNice's BlendAway HD unit, and as you can see, that lace just blends away when I put my hand under it. This closure is a 5x5 closure and the lace is already cut off. There are no combs in the front though, just one in the back, the adjustable straps and the hooks for the elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and just install the elastic band just by slipping the hook into the loop on both sides, and that is how you do it. That's it. This unit is extremely long. It is 26 inches and the texture is a water wave. I did go ahead and shampoo and condition this unit, and this is what it looks like. There was minimal shedding, but these are the products that I am going to use. A lot of body, a flat brush, and an edge brush. Now let's go ahead and define the waves. I put a little bit of the Lotta Body around the parting space at the top of the unit and then put some in the palm of my hand and smooth it throughout the unit. So at the top of the unit, I'm just smoothing that mousse or foam out and using my edge brush to just smooth everything down, making sure that everything is nice and flat at the top. Also brushing the hairs back off of the hairline. By pre-styling my unit, it is going to save me so much time with my install. Plus, with wavy or curly units, I do like to co-wash the units or shampoo and condition the units before I install them, just so that I can define the curls myself. So all I'm doing to define the waves is just taking the hair down layer by layer and just combing through with my flat brush, and that is it. Now, you can, if you would like, just brush all the hair down in one swoop. That's perfectly fine, but I want some body and some movement when I actually install this unit. So I want the curls to be defined in layers so that we have some movement. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side as well as in the back of the unit. And this whole process took me about 5 minutes or so, but it's going to set me up for a flawless install. Now that I have those waves defined, we're going to tilt the unit back and let it air dry overnight. All right, guys, so now it's time to install. My unit is all dry. I let it air dry overnight, and here is what it looks like. Just scrunching the unit, making sure to break that crunch from the product. I opted for a regular nude wig cap, and I just have my hair pulled back into a small ponytail in the back. So now what I'm going to do is just put the elastic band around the back of my head. I do have the adjustable straps adjusted to my liking. So putting that elastic band around the back of my head and then inserting that back comb in the back of my hair. There's no other combs to install, so that's pretty much it. When they say instant gratification, that is exactly the feeling that I got as soon as I put this unit on my head. She is flawless as is. I mean, I could just stop right here. However, I am going to just put a little bit of spray on that lace, but I did want to turn around so I could show you all angles of the hair and how long it is. I am 5'7" and it comes down to the bottom of my waist. So here I am just lifting off the lace so you can see my hairline and the unit hairline as well as the comb test just gliding right under. This is what it would look like if it was glueless. However, I'm going to spray some Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray, which is a light holding spray right there on the hairline just because it did not lay flush against my skin. I just want to put a little bit of hairspray and then just dry it into place, pressing the end of my rat tooth comb on the lace, just kind of holding it onto my skin. And this lace melted effortlessly. I did not even have to put an elastic band around the hairline because it just melted so good. I love it. But here's another close-up of that hairline, but you can still see my wig cap. So I'm going to take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 and just put it right there where that line of demarcation is, just to kind of blend it in. But if you were to not wear any wig cap, you would still be able to see this parting line. That's how crazy this unit is. Another length check, 26 inches. I'm going to turn around again, show you these beautiful, beautiful waves. And then let's just go ahead and hop right into the specs. Guys, so you saw my unboxing, you saw after the co-wash how I styled these beautiful waves, you saw my install, which took pretty much no time at all. So let me just go ahead and provide you with the specs of this gorgeous unit. So this is UNice Hair BlendAway HD Lace unit. It is a 5x5 closure and the texture is water wave. It is in the color natural black, 180% density, and I think this is probably one of the longest units that I have ever reviewed. This is a 26-inch unit. This unit also has the C-shaped ears, which are super comfortable if you wear glasses or sunglasses. Now the specs of this unit, this BlendAway, let's talk about it really quickly. So this BlendAway technology, it instantly melts to the hairline. So you saw how I just put this unit on and it instantly just blended in. I did spray it down just because the unit, the lace was buckling up just a little bit. However, the lace is so thin and blendable, it just blends right in with any skin tone. So it has those disappearing invisible knots. Let me give you all a close-up again of this hairline. I have never had a unit that the lace just lays so effortlessly and just blends right in. Like never have I ever had a lace like this. So the lace has a natural fit hairline. So instead of it like coming just straight out, it kind of curves down so it can kind of adhere to your hairline. So the lace is fully visible without makeup. So all you saw me put is a little bit of makeup right here to kind of just blend my wig cap with the lace. But up here, I did not really put any kind of makeup or anything. I didn't put anything up under the lace, no foundation or anything like that. This is just laced with a tiny bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder. As you saw, this was a super duper fast install. Took me no time at all after I did define the waves on this unit, let it air dry overnight. So as you saw, when I took it off the mannequin head, well actually right before I took it off the mannequin head, I was kind of scrunching it a little bit. Now anytime you use a lot of body hair foam, it is going to leave like the hair kind of crispy. And so you do have to like break the mold to get the hair soft. And this is what it looks like after you kind of just like break that mold. Now you don't want to just like run your fingers through it. That is going to completely mess up all the hard work that you did with defining the waves or defining the curls on the unit. You just kind of want to scrunch it to break that mold. So yeah, just want to say that. But let me go ahead and get into my pros and cons on this unit. So pro number one for me, I really can't even decide which one is my number one favorite pro out of this unit because there are just so many positives to this unit. So I would have to say this BlendAway lace. So I told you all that I have never in all of the years that I have been reviewing wigs and units on my channel, I have never had a unit that the lace just blends so effortless. So again, close up. It just looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and I absolutely love that. I also love that this unit is a 5x5 closure. So we have lace from ear to ear. So if you did want to change it over to a side part, left side part, right side part, you could do that as well. But for me personally, with the shape of my hairline, how I have a lower hairline, so as you can see, my edges come down pretty much all the way to my eyebrows. So the bigger the lace, the wider the lace, the more awkward it kind of looks on my hairline. So 5x5 closure, I'm okay with the simple 5x5 closure. Just give me the basics. Just give me the basics with the lace, and yes, I'm here for it. So just a 5x5 closure here. And the texture of this unit, this beautiful, beautiful water wave, it is so soft and effortless. And as you can see with like defining the waves on this unit, it took no time at all. Now I did take it down layer by layer just because I wanted some movement. I did not want it all just like one wave. I want it to be like a little full movement, and I definitely achieved that with the method that I use to define these waves. This unit is super duper long. It is 26 inches, so as you can see, it comes down all the way to my waist. I have never, I don't think, reviewed a 26-inch unit. Maybe one time in the past, but I'm loving the length on this unit. I usually go for like a bob or shorter lengths, but with this water wave, this middle part is kind of giving bohemian. I might put like 2 little braids right here with maybe some little hair charms or something like that. I think that would be so super cute. But yeah, the texture is giving, the lace is giving. How easy this was to install. It is definitely a beginner friendly unit. I believe that anyone would be able to install this unit. It is just so effortless, and you don't have to really work for this unit. The lace is already cut off. The hairline is pre-plucked. The knots are virtually invisible, and the hairline is flawless. Now they do have shorter lengths of this unit, but I just opted for the longer length, and I'm so happy that I did. Also, let's talk about the density on this unit. So this unit is 180% density. It's a lot of hair on this unit. It is a nice amount of hair. It is full and it has body. So I'm very, very happy with the density on this unit. So this unit is a natural black color. It is 100% human hair. So if you wanted to wash it, dye it, straighten it, crimp it, curl it, you could do all of that to this unit. And so right now it is in its natural state, this waterway. So if you did straighten it out, it would be way longer. So like down to like the bottom of my waist, almost to my hips. So yes, this is a very, very lengthy, beautiful, beautiful unit, and I am here for it. I'm here for this BlendAway technology. I hope to get my hands on more of these units because it was just a breeze to install, and I want you to get your hands on this unit too. Now, as far as price, I'm not sure what the price is on this unit, but I will put it down in the description box. I'm going to put a link to UNice's website, a link to this specific BlendAway HD lace unit. But that's it for this review. I hope you all enjoyed.